When you train yourself to drop your anger, your shame, your resentment, your worry, your fear, your stubbornness, your ignorance to things, and your egos, whatever remains, that becomes the true you. The only thing that you have to do is to learn to let go, to practice mindfulness so you can fully notice everything that arises in your state of mind and learn to fully let that go, because you cannot change the fact that life is already happened. Life is continuously moving like a river streams. The river flows, it continues moving and moving. So are you. So is the short time that we have in this life is the moment you truly recognize that you can really gain yourself by returning to this body, returning to this breath, appreciate your life, showing gratitude for everything you have, because you have to learn, you have to practice to be happy, to be present with yourself. Otherwise, day in and day out, your stubborn minds will bother you so much. The ego wanting things to be perfect, wanting things to be your way, and sometimes it doesn't go your way. If you truly see this, you can learn to let go. Let go of your anger, let go of your expectation, and letting go of your stubbornness right here in your head. Sometimes some of you think that you are so smart, but you don't have enough to experience the practice that goes with it. So how do we practice? Fully return to yourself. Every time you feel heavy on your shoulder, take a moment to stop, pause, take a deep breath in, and let it go. Your destiny, your life. Awakening is right here and now. This is it. This is the time for you to truly change yourself, to enhance yourself, to inspire yourself, to be happy, to live life in a meaningful way, day in and day out. This is it. If you want to seek for love, first you have to nurture yourself. You have to truly love yourself in order to have the full energy to love anybody else. Unconditional love is right here and now, because in the end, the only thing that matters is love. Nothing else matters, because love will carry on. Bravery, wisdom will come along with it. No worries. Just keep live your life. Be brave within you. Be the hero of yourself, and everything will happen for you the way you want it. Life is what it is. It is for you to change or to make it however you like. It is your own canvas. So in the end, I hope you are proudly enough to put your initial on your own canvas. So I hope everybody have a wonderful day. Let it go like a river flows. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you, and so do I.